Hello everyone, my name is Mauli and welcome to this session. In this session, we want to have a look at Web3 coins and meme coins. We want to see what we mean by Web3 coins as well as what we mean by meme coins. So let's get started with Web3 coins. Now, when we pick Web3 coins, also referred to as Web3 tokens, these are cryptocurrencies that power blockchain projects and protocols and are designed to support the decentralized internet. What we mean by decentralized internet is that phase of the internet where there is no single entity, individual, or organization controlling it. It is the third phase of the internet referred to as Web 3.0. Now, the Web 3.0 is unlike Web 2.0, which is dominated by centralized platforms like Facebook, Amazon, Google, etc. The key takeaway here is that centralized systems are owned and managed by either an entity, a state, an individual, or government. And so there is that middleman layer so long as you are dealing with a centralized platform. And that is what decentralized applications seek to remove from the ecosystem, giving users direct control over their funds even as they deal directly with the blockchain. The Web 3.0 stands to give users more control through blockchain based ownership, decentralized applications, that's DApps, and token based economies. Now, when you pick the Web 3.0, these are coins that are built to support the decentralized internet, the blockchain network. Okay, examples of these coins include Ethereum, which is the backbone of most decentralized applications and smart contracts. We talked about smart contracts and decentralized application in our previous sessions, so you can kindly refer to it in order to freshen up your mind. Now, we also have another class of coins referred to as meme coins. Now, meme coins are cryptocurrencies that are created mostly for fun or internet culture, but they may eventually grow into large communities with real trading value. Meme coin, in simple terms, they are coins driven by social media hypes. When there are major social media events like the Hakimi incidents that came up a few years back, and then the Hakimi coin was created. So these coins thrive on social media hype. Now, when meme coins are created, they don't really have blockchain utility compared with the Web3 coins. Web3 coins are solely created to support the blockchain network, the decentralized network. Meme coins do not necessarily have that blockchain utility at its onset, but over time, if they gain a lot of popularity through social media hype and things like that, they may grow into larger communities and then get to have real trading value. That may actually take some time. Now, examples of meme coins include Creepy, Xpin, XLM, Hakimi, amongst many others. These are coins whose popularities depend heavily on social media hype and viral trends, not necessarily technology. Okay, this is one of the key difference between Web3 coins and meme coins. While Web3 coins thrive or are driven by technology, meme coins are not necessarily driven by technology. They are driven by social media trends and things like that. That is what keeps them moving. So let's take notice of that. Now, one other difference between the meme coins and the Web3 coins is the fact that the meme coins are coins that have not yet been listed on the centralized exchanges. And so they are traded on decentralized platforms. If we say decentralized platforms, then we are talking of platforms like Token Pocket, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom Wallet, as well as other decentralized applications. So we have the decentralized platforms and then we also have the centralized platforms. Centralized platforms are platforms like OKS, Bybit, Kraken, and Binance. But then the good thing about Binance is the fact that Binance has both the exchange section and then the wallet section. So when you look on your Binance homepage account, you see that at the very top you have the exchange, which is where you'll be operating most of the cryptocurrencies majority of the time. But then you have the wallet section as well. So you could tap on wallet and then create your wallet account. It's a very simple process. Just tap on wallet in your Binance accounts and then create your wallet, and then from the wallet you can operate these meme coins. And then we also want to have a look at some key features and characteristics of Web3 coins as well as the meme coins. And we are going to look at these characteristics in 5 areas. The first one will be the purpose. Second will be the use case. Then we'll also look at the value drivers, and then risk level as well as the longevity of this class of coins. So when we talk about purpose, for Web3 coins, they are built to power decentralized apps, smart contracts, and the Web3 ecosystem. So they have real blockchain utility. Okay, the Web 3.0 coins or token, they support the decentralized internet, the blockchain network. So there is real blockchain application of these coins. But when it comes to the meme coin, they are mainly created for fun, hype, or community culture, and often inspired by internet memes. That's how they derive the name meme coins. They are solely created through internet culture for fun and viral trends and things like that. Then, when it comes to use case, when we pick Web3 coins, they are usually used in staking, governance, data storage, lending, and identity. Now, what we mean by staking is simply the instance where you lock up your cryptocurrency to help operate and secure the blockchain network. And in return, you earn rewards, usually more of the same cryptocurrency that you stake. Okay, so staking is where you lock up your cryptocurrency to help operate and secure the blockchain network. And in so doing, you earn rewards in the form of the same cryptocurrency you use for the staking. And it is one of the key application of Web3 coins. Then we'll also look at value drivers. Now, for Web3 coins, in terms of value drivers, then we are looking at network usage, technology adoption, and then developer activities and ecosystem growth. But for meme coins, when it comes to value drivers, the key drivers of meme coins are usually social media buzz, celebrity promotion, and community hype. These are the parameters on which meme coins thrive. And so once the hype dies down, then there is a probability that the value of these meme coins may cease to exist. Okay, that's one thing we need to take notice of. Then another characteristic is the risk level of each one of these coins. Now, when it comes to risk level in terms of the Web3 coins, the risk level is moderate to high, but grounded in real projects, smart contract, and things like that. You can find this real blockchain utility of Web3 coin. But when you take the meme coin, their risk level is very high, very, very high, because they often pump and dump and they are short-term speculative. So when you are dealing with meme coins, you need to be careful of the risk side of it. So because of this, meme coins are usually traded in short term because the probability that they will last long it's a bit not guaranteed. So when you are dealing with meme coin, it's just advisable that you treat them within the shortest possible time. You put them under constant monitoring and then you go about them within the short term. Then the next thing we'll look at is the longevity. And when it comes to longevity in terms of Web3 coins, Web3 coins are designed for long-term development and scalability. Okay, because Web3 coins are designed to support and power the blockchain network, the decentralized internet, they are designed for long-term development and scalability. Now, that is not the case when it comes to meme coins. Why? Because meme coins are often short-lived. Meme coins do not have a longer lifespan. They are short-lived. So when you are dealing with meme coins, it's just important that you treat them on short-term basis. They are short-lived. They don't have a longer longevity. Even though there are a few ones that transition into long-term projects. You pick a typical example like Dodge. Dogecoin, which was designed by Elon Musk. It started as a meme coin with a social media hype and things like that, but it eventually grew into a community and has now transitioned into a long-term project. So that's a very typical example. So we can see that not all meme coins are short-lived. Some eventually transition into long-term projects. And a typical example we have here is the Dogecoin. Okay. So we have looked at what Web3 coins are, what meme coins are. We've seen a few examples. We've also had a few applications of Web3 coins and then the meme coins. And then we've looked at the key features and characteristics of each one of these coins. So in summary, what we are saying is that Web3 coins are fuel for decentralized internet applications, giving users more direct ownership and participation in online economies. Now, when it comes to the meme coins are community driven, high fuel tokens born from internet culture, fun and viral, very risky, and usually without real blockchain utility. Okay, these are the key differences between Web3 coins and meme coins. The typical difference is the fact that Web3 coins have real blockchain utility, whereas meme coins do not have real blockchain utility. And so when you are dealing with each one of these coins, you need to be very aware of the factors or the characteristic or features that come to play in terms of the purpose, the use case, the value drivers, the risk level, and then the longevity. And all these will build into your risk appetite, your risk level as you go about your trading and investments around these coins. So, thank you so much for this session. Please remember to subscribe and share for more exciting content. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.